NVDA, I like to pull back into 547. Yesterday's highs right here. So pick some up here and I'll pick some up there.
Order filled.
So I got my positions on just to play. It's just a waiting game now here. All right, let's go. We got through 60, 61. There's really nothing there. All right, though, as long as we hold this 557, it's going to take a little patience there. We would give you a nice explosive move through 61 here.
Order filled.
That's what I was looking for. Took a little profits there. I like NVIDIA, man. Break of the calculated level. We got the 9 on the 5. Right now, as long as we're holding that 5-minute 9, you know, that's a really good, that's one of my favorite momentum indicators, right? We had a nice trade right out the gate at the open. Just hanging on here. Took some profits into that 563 calculated level, and because that's where I expect some pullback. We pull back into the 9. I wouldn't be surprised at all to see some consolidation here. So what I have left and me paying myself is just so I could widen my stop, man. I'm not gonna let this take me out of this trade unless we break the momentum here, unless we like break 557. We're coming up on the 65, top of the hour. I like how it's holding the 9 on the 5. I have a really good position on here. I don't want to let it go. And now that some time's gone by, the 9 on the 5-minute, you know, is up nice enough to where I really don't even have to stop out for a loss on this at all. If we break under the 9, I'll be about flat, you know? So I'm in a really good spot, man. So I want to be really careful how I manage this. Just because it's taking a minute to get going doesn't mean shit. I don't want to be taken out of this or sell too early. So I'm watching this tape close, man. Close.
Order filled.
I got to take a little profits there in the small account, man. So now I'm just down to a couple of contracts. These two I want to just hang on to. I want to swing them all the way into the close if possible. So I'm going to take myself down to one contract if we break this flag pattern we got going here on the 5. I got a couple of contracts left on NVIDIA, but I can't swing both of them RTZ because it would eat up my whole profit, and I'm not willing to do that. So I have a stop in place for one contract if it pulls back to take me out of one contract, and that will allow me to hold one for 330, and I will still have a $200-300 day. It took me out. Nice trade though. Anyway, did exactly what I was hoping for. I'm holding this last contract. I got stopped out for a profit stop on the last one. There's nothing that can, you know, make me red day to day. No matter what, I'll make a couple $100. I'm going to hang on to this last contract. You know, even if it doesn't happen right now, I think this week in general, like I want to just hang on to this thing for the week. Or 3,500 on SPX, whichever comes first. It's completely RTZ and it's completely paid for.